how are you doing today? Well, I'm doing fine. How about you? This is Blessing, your friendly coach, your online business English coach for business owners. Oh, so thanks for joining me today. So today we're going to talk about got stuck. You can use these steps to get better business English writing skills. Feeling stuck is not a good feeling. Writing any business documents or emails can be stressful and confusing. Then what can you do to get better business English writing skills? What can you do to spend less time writing and get better results? You are a busy business owner. You want to write in a way that the reader will be able to understand your message better. You can use these 5 good mind tips to get better in your business English writing skills. You know that it's important for you to be able to communicate effectively with your writing skills as a business owner, and your ability for you to be able to write complex information in easy to understand business English words will help you as a business owner. If you want to write well without feeling frustrated with your business English writing skills, you can use those 5 tips that I want to give you. And in case you want to improve your business English writing skills, you can reach out to me. Alright, you can book a call with me. Alright, now I'm giving the 5 tips that you will use. The first one is aim for clarity when writing. The second one is use simple business English words to convey information. The third one is avoid business jargon. You're writing to communicate, not to confuse your reader. And the fourth one is be direct. Save your time and the reader's time. And the fifth one is use bullet points and numbering so that the reader will be able to scan through and get your points. And if you're thinking of getting started on improving your business English writing skills, you can reach out to me on my social media handles. Thanks for joining me today. Please subscribe so you can hear more from me. In case you want to reach out to me, please check out my social media handles. On Instagram at Friendly Coach, on Twitter at Friendly Coach, on Facebook Friendly Coach, on TikTok Friendly Coach, and my official website is www.friendlycoach.com. See you next week. Boom.